Guys, the question came up in the forums about how to use emojis on a shape effect on a Mac. And I wanted to show you a couple of tricks that I've learned to make it easier to find what you're looking for. And the same thing can be used on both the shape effect and in the text effect. So we'll start off with the shape effect because that was the question that was asked. And what happens when you drop a shape effect onto a matrix is you, regardless of what font you pick, the renderer is going to it's going to use the Apple Color emoji font to actually draw the image on the screen. And this number right here is actually the decimal equivalent of the specific glyph number that's used, the glyph being the character of that particular font in the system font. So you can just click these and scroll around and try to find the one that you're looking for, or you can use a cool program that's built into the Mac OS called FontBook. So I'm just going to search for that on my computer, and in FontBook you can search for the emoji font, and it's right here, the Apple Color emoji font, and just scroll around and try to find the one that you're looking for. So I don't know where it's at for the Christmas tree, but I'll pick this this concerned face here. So this thinking face, the code, the Unicode number for this particular character is this U15914 piece at the bottom, or 1F914. So that is actually a hexadecimal value, and there's a couple of different ways you can convert that to the decimal value that you need in Xlights. So you can take that 1F914 and open up your handy dandy scientific calculator, 1F914, and then go over to here, convert it back to, 1F914, and we will go back to scientific mode. That is the number 129300 in decimal. So if I type 129300, now I get the face in there, if you can all see that. So that is in the shape effect. The text effect has another little shortcut. In the text effect, because you're actually copying individual characters, you can just copy and paste them straight from FontBook. So I'm going to pick the Apple Color emoji font, go back to my FontBook, and we'll click on this particular face. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, or you can hit the Command C key, does the same thing. Go back over to Xlights, I'm going to paste that face in there, and it actually copied it onto the system clipboard and pasted it right in there in that text box. So two different ways to achieve the same goal, and FontBook is kind of a cool way to easily browse through. You can make these things bigger or smaller if you want to see a lot of them all at once. And in the text effect, just click on it and copy it, or in the shape effect, just hover over it and grab the hexadecimal version of the character number. So that one is 26B0. So 26B0, we'll go into programmer version, 26B0, enter. We'll convert that back to a decimal, so 9904. We'll go back here to emojis, 9904, and we have the coffins. Hope that was helpful for somebody. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.